Digital billboards are replacing paper billboards, which means you can advertise anytime. We're here with insights to help you run your Alcohol Think Again campaign targeting child concession travelers. AdTrek, using predictions, is your guide to optimize when to advertise. AdTrek has rave reviews from Australia Post and Panache Advertising. As an early insider, you'll gain access to insights learned by developing the AdTrek prediction model and specific insights for child concession travelers. 1.9 billion Myki records were analyzed. We excluded touch-offs, as people spend more time awaiting trains, touching on, than disembarking. Only train stops were included, as 188 times more people waited at a train than at a bus stop, or 24 times more than a tram. Train data is most accurate as touch-ons occur at the station, not on the vehicle, which depends on when the commuters remember to touch on. Train touch-ons represent when people arrive at the stop, the time to start showing your digital billboard. And it's not compulsory to touch off on trams, where 31% touch-offs compared to 91% for train. Touch-on data contains 65 card types. We grouped into 10 card groups as nuances between them don't matter to advertisers, and made the model simpler to train. Child concession are your target with 22,000 daily touch-ons. Our model goal is that if you choose 100,000 weekly prospects, then the actual number waiting at train stops with your ads showing will be 100,000 or higher, 95% of the time. Autocorrelation is a mathematical tool for finding repeating patterns of commuter behavior at different times. We used it to discover a strong correlation of 7 days, suggesting that touch-on volumes last week are predictive of today. To measure model performance, we used weighted absolute percentage error, calculated weekly, according to the 7-day seasonality of the data. We used it as it is easy to compare different card type volumes. After analyzing errors by month, day of week, time of day, stop location, and card group, we found errors are greater when holidays are used to predict normal days. So we built a better model, where holidays predict future holidays. Not surprisingly, our model performed poorly when it came to Easter and the New Year, suggesting that public holidays were less predictable in terms of touch-on volumes than other days in the year. To improve our model, we clipped the data to a minimum 10 passengers in each 30-minute interval. This reduced error, indicating low volumes add more noise than signal. Residual errors we fed to our XGBoost machine learning algorithm. Now let's explore specific insights for child concession. This artwork shows daily volumes for 3 years by different card types. Blue is full fare up the top. It clearly shows the weekly pattern. As a 3-month running average, we easily spot an interesting trend. The largest touch-on growth is child concession. We see the trend to a lesser extent for buses and trams. Is this because of more trips or new users? Let's compare histograms of card IDs for 3 10-week slices. So, it's new users taking more trips, and they're spread around Melbourne. To conclude, commuter travel volume is predictive. Volumes 1 week apart are a significant predictive feature. Train stops are more effective than bus and tram for showing digital billboards, and child concession usage has grown 10 times over the last 3 years for trains. We're the mathematicians, and we look forward to helping you with your campaign.